My name is Irina, and today we are going to talk about the present perfect continuous tense. Let's start. We use to have been plus verb ing to form this tense. The first situation when we use it is for actions started in the past and continuing up to the present. For example, she has been learning English for 1 year. A year ago she started learning it and is still learning. The next example. It has been snowing since morning. It started snowing in the morning and is still snowing. Pay attention to words for and since. We use for plus a period of time, for example, for 1 year, for 2 days, for a month, etc. And we use since plus starting point. Since morning, since last week, since 2015, etc. The next situation when we use this tense. We also use present perfect continuous for past action of certain duration, having visible results or effects in the present. What does it mean? Let's look at some examples. She has been crying. Her eyes are red. She has been crying. Now she is not crying. The action is finished. And we have a visible result of this recently finished action. Action of certain duration, which lasted. Second, you have been cycling and your legs are really tired now. He or she is not cycling now. Finished action, completed action, and tired legs are visible result of this action. They are dirty because they have been painting. Also, they finished painting and now they are dirty, which is a visible result of a recently completed action. This is how we use the present perfect continuous. That's all for now. Hope it was useful for you. See you next time. Bye.